Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss the exam pattern changes and the syllabus changes of Advanced Financial Management, the AFM exam of ACCA. So what are the changes? Let's discuss. Now, in exam, there will be 20 professional marks. Previously, it was 4 to 5 professional marks, but now it will be 20 professional marks. So the part A will be having a 50 marks question, and it will include the 10 professional skill marks. And there will be a requirement in which you have to make a report in which you have to present your data in some format. For example, report to the board of directors. So there will be a 10 professional marks. In section B, there will be 2 questions. In section A, there will be only 1 question of 50 marks. 40 marks will be the technical marks from the AFM exam, from the AFM syllabus, and 10 marks will be the professional skill marks. In part B, there will be 2 questions. Each will be having 25 marks. And in that 25 mark, 20 marks will be the technical marks that will be tested from the syllabus area. For example, it will be APV, it can be the merger question, free cash flows, weighted average cost of capital, and 5 marks will be the professional skill marks. 20 marks will be technical and 5 marks will be professional skill marks. So section A will be having a 50 mark case study. 40 marks will be a technical marks from the syllabus area. 10 marks will be the professional skill marks. And all of the professional skills will be examined in section A. There are 4 professional skills. We will discuss in detail. There are 4 professional skills and all of the 4 professional skills will be tested here. Obviously, question can be tested in which you have to do the calculation, draw comparison, analyze the result and offer recommendation or conclusion like the previous AFM exam. Financial managers are required to look across a range of issues which affect an organization and its finances. So candidates should expect question from any of the syllabus area. Remember, there is only one change in part A, that is 10 professional marks. Otherwise, the structure and the question pattern will remain same. And in section A, candidates will be required to produce answer in a specific format, for example, report. Section B, there will be 2 questions and each question will be having 20 technical marks and 5 professional marks. And section B question will contain a combination of professional skill appropriate to the question. There are 4 professional skills, but in each question, 2 professional skills will be tested. It can be from analysis and evaluation, skepticism, commercial acumen. Any of the 2 professional skills will be tested in each question. And remember, 2 areas are confirmed from where examiner will test the question. One area is advanced investment appraisal. Investment appraisal, it includes weighted average cost of capital. It includes investment appraisal belongs to MIR, duration, APV. It includes the international investment appraisal. And the section E, the risk management area, the interest rate risk management and the currency risk management. So 2 areas are confirmed. In every exam, the question from these 2 areas will be tested. So that's the new pattern. Now let's discuss what are the different types of professional skills. Number 1 professional skill is communication, in which you have to inform concisely, objectively, unambiguously, adopting a suitable style and format using appropriate technology. Obviously, We used to apply this in report in previous AFM exam structure, but now it's a part of the syllabus. Pursued using compelling and logical argument, demonstrating the ability to counter argue where appropriate, clarify and simplify complex issues to convey relevant information in a way that adopts appropriate tone. So this is the communication, this is the professional skill required in AFM. Next is analysis and evaluation. Investigate relevant information from a range of sources using appropriate analytical technique to estimate the outcome. Consider information, evidence, and finding carefully reflecting on their implication. Assess and apply appropriate judgment when considering organizational issues, problem, or when making financial management decisions. And the last is appraise information objectively with a view to balancing the cost, risk, and benefiting and opportunities. So this is analysis and evaluation. Skepticism is explore the underlying reason for a given situation, applying the attitude of an inquiring mind beyond what is immediately apparent. Question opinion, assertions, and assumptions by seeking justification, obtaining sufficient evidence. Challenge and critically assess the information presented. Last is commercial acumen, that is, demonstrate awareness of the organizational and external factors, recognize key issues in a given scenario, and use judgment in proposing and recommending commercially viable solution. And the last one is show insight and perception in understanding financial issues and wider organizational matters. So the number one professional skill is communication. Second is analysis and evaluation. Third is skepticism. And the fourth is commercial acumen. Remember, you used to apply these in a report format in a previous exam, but now you have to apply all these in section A for 10 marks, in section B for 5 marks in each question. So remember, these are the 4 professional skills you need to apply in the exam. Last is employability and technology. This is using the computer, using the ACCA practice platform. You have to learn that how you can apply the maximum use of that platform. If you are using the shortcuts, if you're using the cell format, if you're using the some allowed formulas which you can use in the Excel spreadsheet, you can get this employability and technology skills. That means you have the employability and technology skills. If you're using the sum formula, if you're using the multiply formula, if you're using the formula to calculate the Black-Scholes option pricing model, that means you have the employability and technology skills. But if you're manually doing the calculation, that is not going to work now, because computer technology is a part of syllabus now. It's not like you have to learn anything in AFM exam from any book. It is you have to apply the maximum use of computer technology, maximum use of spreadsheet technology in your exam. Instead of doing the manual calculation, use the Excel to do the calculation. Instead of doing the manual work, use the Excel to make the most of the work of your calculation. Now let's discuss what changes have been done in the syllabus. Integrated reporting has been removed from the exam. Capital rationing, it has been cleared in the study guide that multi-period capital rationing will only be tested through discussion. Initial coin offering reference has been changed to the security token offering. And the next is Vega and Rho has been removed from the syllabus. Only delta, gamma, and theta will be tested in the exam. And professional skills has been introduced, and that have a 20 marks in a new AFM exam.